Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore interesting topic how AI is changing the music industry. Music has always been a reflection of humanity, our emotions, creativity and technological progress. But today, a new revolution is reshaping the industry, artificial intelligence. From composing melodies to curating playlists, AI is no longer just a tool. It's a collaborator, disruptor and innovator. In this video, we'll explore how AI is transforming every corner of the music world. First of all, creation. Can a machine write a hit song? Secondly, production. How AI automates mixing, mastering, and even invents new sounds. Next one, distribution. Algorithms that decide what you hear next. Lastly, fan engagement. Hyper-personalized concerts and AI-powered virtual artists. But with great power comes great questions. Is AI enhancing creativity or eroding the human touch? Let's dive in. Now firstly understand AI in music creation and production. AI generated music, redefining composition. AI has made it possible to compose music without human intervention. Using machine learning and deep learning techniques, AI can generate melodies, harmonies, and even lyrics. AI-powered composition tools such as OpenAI's MuseNet, IVA, Artificial Intelligence Virtual Artist, and Google's Magenta are capable of creating complex musical pieces in different genres. AI analyzes vast datasets of musical compositions to understand patterns, chord progressions, and rhythms, which it then uses to create original compositions. This technology is particularly useful for generating background scores for movies, advertisements, video games, and online content. AI-assisted songwriting and lyric generation. AI tools are not just limited to composing melodies but also assist in writing lyrics. Platforms like Lyric Studio and These Lyrics Do Not Exist use natural language processing (NLP) to generate lyrics based on themes, emotions, and styles. AI-generated lyrics can serve as a starting point for musicians, who can then refine and customize them. Some artists use AI to overcome creative blocks and get inspiration for new songs. Collaboration between AI and human musicians. Many artists are now experimenting with AI as a creative partner rather than a replacement. AI can generate music that artists refine and incorporate into their work, leading to innovative soundscapes. Notable examples include Taron Southern's album I Am AI, entirely composed with AI assistance. David Cope's EMI, experiments in musical intelligence, which creates compositions in the style of famous composers. Holly Herndon, who developed an AI called Spawn to assist in music creation. AI in music production, revolutionizing sound engineering. AI-driven mastering. Mastering is a crucial step in music production that ensures the final track sounds polished and professional. AI-based mastering tools like Landauer, Isotope Ozone, and Cloudbounce analyze sound waveforms and apply adjustments like equalization, compression, and stereo enhancement automatically. These AI tools offer an affordable solution for independent artists and small-scale producers who cannot afford professional mastering engineers. AI-powered mixing. AI assists in balancing different audio tracks in a song, adjusting volume levels and applying effects. Tools like Sonible's Smart EQ and Isotope Neutron use machine learning to analyze a mix and suggest improvements. AI mixing helps artists and producers save time by automating complex sound adjustments. AI in sound design. AI can generate unique instrument sounds and synthesize new tones that do not exist in traditional instruments. Generative adversarial networks, GANs, are used to create realistic sounding instrument samples. Platforms like Refusion use AI to convert text prompts into music, allowing for highly customizable compositions. Automating audio enhancement and restoration. AI helps in noise reduction, removing background sounds, and improving the clarity of recordings. Tools like Adobe Enhanced Speech, Crisp, and RX by Isotope use AI to clean up audio and improve overall quality. Impact on music creators and producers. AI democratizes music creation, enabling anyone, regardless of musical expertise, to create high-quality compositions. It reduces the time and effort required for composing and producing music, making it more accessible to independent musicians. The technology challenges traditional roles in the music industry, but also opens new creative possibilities. Now secondly, AI in music distribution and discovery. AI-powered music distribution, AI streamlines the distribution process by helping artists release music across multiple platforms efficiently. AI-driven distribution platforms like TuneCore, DistroKid and CD Baby use automation to upload and manage music across streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music and Amazon Music. AI assists in metadata tagging, ensuring that songs are properly categorized, making them easier to discover. Predictive analytics tools help artists determine the best time and platform for releasing their music to maximize engagement and streams. AI in personalized music recommendations, streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music and YouTube. Music use AI-powered recommendation engines to analyze listener behavior and suggest songs that match their tastes. Machine learning algorithms consider factors such as past listening history, user interactions, likes, skips, and shares, and even time of day to create personalized playlists. AI-driven features like Spotify's Discover Weekly and YouTube Music's Your Mix help users explore new music tailored to their preferences. AI's role in music discovery for artists. AI helps new and independent artists get discovered by analyzing music trends and connecting them with the right audience. Platforms like SoundCloud and Audius use AI-driven analytics to recommend emerging artists to users who are likely to enjoy their music. AI helps record labels and talent scouts identify promising musicians based on engagement metrics and audience growth patterns. AI-powered audience insights. AI provides detailed analytics about audience demographics, listening habits, and geographical reach. Artists can use AI-powered tools like Chartmetric and Next Big Sound to track their growth and refine marketing strategies based on real-time data. AI helps optimize ad placements and social media campaigns to target the most relevant audience segments. Automated music promotion and virality. Prediction AI predicts which songs have the potential to go viral by analyzing online engagement and social media buzz. Tools like Hit Predictor and Chartmetric analyze streaming data, social media interactions, and fan engagement to forecast hit songs. AI-driven social media bots and content automation help artists schedule posts, engage with fans, and promote their music efficiently. Impact on the music industry. AI-driven distribution ensures that artists, regardless of their popularity, can get their music heard by a global audience. The technology empowers independent musicians by giving them access to the same AI tools that major record labels use. While AI helps with exposure, the challenge remains for artists to stand out in an increasingly crowded market. Now move on to the AI in music marketing and promotion. AI-driven music marketing strategies. AI helps musicians reach the right audience through data-driven marketing campaigns. AI-powered analytics track listener behavior, enabling targeted promotions. AI platforms like Chartmetric and Next Big Sound analyze trends and suggest optimal marketing strategies. Social media and AALs, e.g., video snippets, album covers, and digital posters, save time and enhance branding. Tools like Canva's AI-powered design and Runway ML help musicians create visually appealing promotional content. Predicting hit songs and audience engagement. AI analyzes past hit songs to predict which new tracks are likely to perform well. Platforms like Hit Predictor use AI to forecast chart success based on music patterns and audience reactions. AI-driven audience segmentation ensures ads and promotions reach listeners most likely to engage with an artist's music. AI in automated advertising and fan engagement. AI automates digital ad campaigns, optimizing budget allocation for maximum reach. AI chatbots on social media engage with fans, answer queries, and promote upcoming releases. Personalized AI-generated messages and emails help build stronger artist-fan relationships. Enhancing music video marketing with AI-generated music videos and animations help promote songs on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. AI editing tools like Adobe Sensei and Pictory AI streamline video creation and enhancement. AI-driven analytics determine the best video formats and thumbnails for maximizing viewer engagement. Impact on the music industry. AI makes marketing more accessible for independent artists, leveling the playing field. AI-driven strategies increase the chances of music going viral and reaching global audiences. The challenge remains in balancing AI automation with human creativity to maintain authenticity. Now the next topic is AI in music performance and live shows. AI-powered live performances. AI is transforming live concerts and performances by enhancing sound, visuals, and audience interaction. AI-driven live sound processing helps optimize real-time audio output, ensuring a high-quality experience for concert goers. AI algorithms analyze acoustic environments to adjust sound levels and reduce unwanted noise. AI-powered tools like LANDR Live optimize audio mixing in real time, enhancing clarity and depth in performances. Virtual and AI-generated concerts. Virtual concerts powered by AI allow artists to reach global audiences without physical constraints. AI-generated holograms bring deceased artists back to life for live performances, e.g., Tupac's hologram at Coachella, Whitney Houston's holographic tour. AI-driven virtual reality. VR concerts, such as those hosted by Fortnite and Wave, provide immersive musical experiences where fans interact with virtual performers. AI enables real-time avatar generation for digital performances, allowing artists to perform in virtual spaces. AI and real-time visual effects in live shows. AI generates synchronized visual effects that react to music in real time, creating immersive stage experiences. Tools like Notch and Touch Designer use AI-driven algorithms to produce dynamic visuals that match live music beats. AI-controlled lighting systems adjust colors, patterns, and intensity based on music tempo and audience engagement. AI-generated 3D projections enhance storytelling and add futuristic aesthetics to live performances. AI-powered setlist optimization and audience engagement (AI) helps artists select the best setlist by analyzing audience preferences, past concert data, and streaming trends. AI predicts crowd reactions to different songs and suggests the ideal performance order to maximize engagement. AI-powered audience interaction tools such as chatbots and mobile apps allow real-time engagement during live performances. AI-driven sentiment analysis monitors social media and live feedback to enhance future performances. AI-generated deepfake voices and AI-powered vocal enhancements. AI can clone and synthesize voices for live performances, allowing artists to sing in different languages or vocal styles. AI-powered vocal enhancement tools, such as Isotope's Vocal Synth, modify live vocals in real time, adding harmonies, pitch corrections, and unique effects. AI-driven voice modulation expands creative possibilities for live acts, enabling performers to experiment with different vocal textures. Impact on the live music industry. AI is revolutionizing live performances by offering new creative possibilities and immersive experiences. Virtual AI-driven concerts are creating new revenue streams for artists, reducing dependence on physical touring. The rise of AI-powered holograms raises ethical questions about using AI-generated versions of deceased artists. AI-enhanced live performances push the boundaries of traditional concerts, blending music, technology, and interactivity. Forward to ethical concerns and challenges, copyright and intellectual property issues. AI-generated music raises questions about ownership. Who owns a song created by an AI system? AI tools often analyze existing music to generate new compositions, leading to potential copyright infringement. The lack of clear legal frameworks on AI-generated content creates uncertainty for artists and record labels. Some AI-generated songs closely resemble existing works, sparking legal disputes over originality. Job displacement in the music industry. AI automates many aspects of music production, potentially reducing the need for human composers, sound engineers, and producers. AI-generated background music is replacing traditional session musicians in film, gaming, and advertising. AI-powered mastering tools reduce demand for human audio engineers. The music industry must balance AI adoption with job preservation and support for human creativity. Authenticity and creativity concerns. AI can generate music quickly, but does it have the emotional depth and storytelling ability of human-created music? Critics argue that AI-produced music lacks the personal experiences and emotions that define great compositions. Over-reliance on AI in songwriting and production could lead to formulaic and repetitive music. Artists must find ways to integrate AI while maintaining creative authenticity. Bias in AI music algorithms. AI-driven recommendation systems may reinforce biases, favoring popular mainstream music while overlooking independent or diverse artists. Algorithmic favoritism can make it harder for new artists to gain exposure. AI-generated music datasets often reflect historical biases in music genres and artist representation. The industry must ensure fair AI systems that promote inclusivity and diversity in music. Ethical use of AI in vocal synthesis and deepfake voices (AI) can clone voices, leading to ethical concerns about using an artist's voice without their permission. Deepfake technology has been used to replicate deceased artists' voices, raising moral and legal questions. Unauthorized AI-generated vocals could be used for misleading or deceptive purposes. Regulations are needed to protect artists from AI voice cloning exploitation. Data privacy and AI music platforms. AI-powered music platforms collect vast amounts of user data to personalize recommendations. Concerns about data privacy arise when AI tracks user listening habits without transparency. The ethical implications of AI-driven surveillance in music consumption must be addressed. Balancing AI and human creativity. The future of AI in music depends on finding a balance between technology and human artistry. AI should be used as a tool to enhance creativity, not replace human musicians. Ethical guidelines must ensure AI complements rather than dominates the music industry. Collaboration between artists, developers, and policymakers is essential to navigating these challenges. Now move further to conclusion and future of AI in music. Conclusion: AI as a tool, not a replacement. AI is revolutionizing the music industry, but it should be seen as a tool that enhances human creativity rather than replacing it. From composition and production to marketing and live performances, AI is streamlining processes and making music more accessible to independent artists. Ethical concerns and challenges must be carefully navigated to ensure AI benefits musicians rather than exploiting them. The balance between AI and human artistry will define the future of the industry. Future trends in AI and music more. Advanced AI composition. AI-generated music will continue to improve, offering deeper emotional resonance and unique styles beyond algorithmic patterns. Hyper-personalized music. AI will create highly personalized soundtracks based on a listener's mood, activity, and biometric data. AI-generated virtual artists, AI-driven virtual musicians and bands will gain popularity, producing hit songs without human involvement. Enhanced live music experiences. AI will integrate with AR and VR to create fully immersive, interactive concert experiences. Stronger AI ethics and regulations. Laws and guidelines will be developed to address copyright, deepfake voices, and fair compensation for artists. AI-assisted music education. AI-powered tools will help train aspiring musicians, offering real-time feedback on compositions and performances. AI and human collaboration. The future of music will see AI working alongside human musicians to push creative boundaries while maintaining artistic integrity. Final thoughts: AI is not the end of human-created music, but a new frontier for creativity. Musicians and industry professionals should embrace AI while ensuring ethical practices and maintaining the emotional depth that makes music special. The future of AI in music is exciting, and its impact will continue to evolve in ways we can only begin to imagine. Please like, subscribe, and share the video for more insights into AI and technology.